Hey love, I'm really happy you're here. Let's share a soft little moment together and bring some calm into the day, sending you love and cozy vibes. I am taking a soft cloth and gently wiping the surfaces. Slow movements, no rush at all. I let my hands move naturally, enjoying the simple rhythm of cleaning. There's something really comforting about this, just being present, breathing, and taking care of my space. I take my time, moving calmly and smoothly, letting the surface feel fresh and clean again. No pressure to do it perfectly, just small, gentle movements that make the space feel lighter. Each wipe feels like a little reset, a quiet moment just for me. That's it. A simple clean, but it makes such a difference. Thank you for being here with me, sending you love and warm home energy.